Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook catfish fried crispy and also french fries for dinner. First, I'm going to marinate the catfish with 2 tablespoons of fish powder or beef stock, and also 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper powder, and also 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and you have to mix it very well so the flavor is good to the catfish. First time I ate the catfish, guys. I bought this in Walmart. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cornstarch and also 1 cup tempura powder. Mix tempura. So I added some like little bit of flour, guys. And you have to mix it well, and I add the powder like little bit of 1/2 teaspoon of black peppers and also 2 eggs. You have to beat the eggs and mix with the catfish. You have to dip the catfish and coat with the flour. Repeat the same process. And we'll see, guys, this is my first time I eat and cook catfish. We call catfish in the Philippines, in our language is Taiwan or hito or pantat. So now I already finished to cook the flour, and also there the french fries. The french fries I already air fry, and then add the oil to cook deep fry the catfish, making sure the catfish is turned brown and crispy. I marinate the catfish like 4 hours to 3 hours or more than that. So making sure you have to add the catfish when your oil is very hot. First, I put the temperature, my oven is high, and then I put number 8 or 7 after that. And then you have to fry that, making sure it's turned brown and cooked, and you have to stir it to make even the brown of your fish. So I taste this catfish, guys. It's so yummy because I cooked this yesterday afternoon. Because you're like very brown, don't overcook, because if too much it burn, it tastes better. So you have to set aside the fish with at the clean plate. You have to drain the oil. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget also push the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you updated. Now I need to fry the rest of the catfish. It's the same process, guys. See, look at my catfish, it's really crispy and looks good. But I already taste the catfish, is very delicious. So you have to try it. It's very easy, simple, and cheap. So you have to stir it, making sure the catfish is really cooked and crispy. So now you have to set aside again the clean plate. So after you set aside, finish your fried catfish, you have to fry the French fries, which I already air fry for 15 minutes to make crispier. My husband loves the French fry when the French fries is very crispy. And then these French fries I already marinate too. I add a little bit lemon and black peppers and also beef stock powder, like 1 tablespoon, and sprinkle for my French fries instead salt. So now the French fries is finished. It's already cooked by the way, because what I said, I put the air fry for 15 minutes. So now I deep fried again, refried. So thank you for watching. Be safe and thank you for visiting my channel, and don't forget to leave comment. God bless you all, and to all my subscriber viewers, thank you very much, and shout out to all. Thank you for coming my channel. Bye. See you in my next video. So now the food is ready to serve. I'm sure my husband, when he come home, is very hungry and is very happy to see this food, because this first time I cook this food and first time he eat this food.